Hey guys, it's Naturally Yaya and welcome back to my channel. I have found the holy grail, the secret weapon for natural hair, and it's pure maple syrup. Yes, pure maple syrup. This mask will literally melt away dry, matted, tangles, and knots with ease. This recipe is super easy to make at home, it's vegan friendly, and it's free. You can find these ingredients in your kitchen probably right now. Save your coins, sis, because this DIY is super easy and is perfect for all hair types, especially type 4 hair. Alright, to keep this short and sweet, I'm using a blender to whip up all these ingredients. I'm combining 2 to 3 bananas depending on how thick you want it. And then I'm using 1/4 cup of water, or you can use coconut milk if you need a little extra protein. I just did a protein treatment, so I'm skipping the coconut milk. I'm using 1/2 cup of the secret weapon for detangling and melting away matted hair, and that's maple syrup. You guys, you can substitute for honey if you want to, but you'll be missing out, sis. Then I'm going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of coconut oil, and then after that I'm going to add, I think, about 1/8 cup of avocado oil. I didn't want to use too much avocado oil because I wanted to keep the consistency right. I don't know if this should be said, but please do not use pancake syrup. Use real 100% pure maple syrup that comes from the sap of a maple tree. It's full of nutrients, whereas pancake syrup is nothing but sugar, high fructose corn syrup, and corn syrup. Please don't use that. Alright, so I don't care if you blend this for eternity. Strain, strain, strain. These little pieces are perfect for your digestive system, but will get stuck in your hair for days if you do not strain your mixture. Right now it probably doesn't look like they're in there, but only thing you gotta do is try to get the mixture into the empty holes, and then you're gonna start seeing those little pieces. Especially when you rinse it out, you're gonna see those annoying pieces, and if they get stuck in your hair, they're gonna be stuck in your hair for days. So strain, strain, and strain some more. See, that's it, and it was super easy, right? So I took down my protective towel to wash my hair and got distracted for about 3 days. Yeah, my hair got real disrespectful. I dreaded the thought of sectioning, detangling, and pre-pooing. Not today. So I'm gonna shut all that down, and I'm gonna use this miracle elixir. First off, it smells amazing, but without sectioning or detangling my hair, I'm just gonna slap this stuff on and just slather it all over. I don't even have to say what happened. You guys can clearly see how this is just melting into my hair. Butter, butter, butter. Listen to me. What works for me may not work for you, but I'm pretty sure this will work for you. Just watch your matted hair melt into defined, yummy kinks, coils, and curls within seconds. Like, within seconds. I did not have to pre-poo, I didn't have to section, I didn't have to detangle. I'm just... But anyway, I'm just using my hands to gently remove shed hairs, and then I'm going to use a comb to go through my hair to make sure it is completely and thoroughly detangled. This took less than 10 minutes, you guys. Literally, my hair was soft, defined, detangled in under 10 minutes. Like, I don't know what else to say. That right there should just be enough said. That should be enough said, literally. Here are some other benefits that these ingredients provide for your hair. I will also list these down in the description box below. Alright, so at this point I'm just playing in my hair. Honestly, I can go ahead and put a plastic bag on and wait about 30 minutes and let this sit. But I wanted to show you guys this little piece of banana that I found in my hair. Letting you know that I strained, and I still found the piece. So you guys, please make sure you strain this mixture before you put it in your hair. I did pretty good. That was the only piece that I saw. This detangling mask is life. Like, I want to put it in a jar, add a preservative, put my name on a container, and sell it in some stores. Like, let me get my coins. Like, for real. Let me get my coins. This is how I had my hair underneath the bag. I did not bother sectioning because I'm gonna do that in the shower. This is the results after 30 minutes, you guys. You've seen the results before 30 minutes. This is after 30 minutes, and it just feels like butter. So go ahead and wash it out with a mild shampoo. Natural shampoo is the best to use. Just go ahead and wash it out, and then add your favorite conditioner. Now what I like to do is I leave my conditioner in as I braid my hair. I'm just doing some simple jumbo cornrows, and this is just to stretch my hair and prep it for styling. This also saves time, it reduces breakage, and it reduces frizz. The point is, I just washed, conditioned, detangled, defined, stretched, and prepped my hair for styling in less than 10 minutes in this one little sitting. Look at these juicy braids, you guys. Look at this clean, detangled, defined hair. I spend more time than that just taking a shower. So guys, would you try this detangling mask? What do you think about pure maple syrup? Tag and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for those who participated in guessing what the secret ingredient was on my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Bye.